Hi, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we're making grilled lemon chicken with Parmesan noodles. Hello, welcome back. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start seasoning the chicken breast. I have lemon juice, and I'm going to set juice of about a half of a lemon, and we're going to get that on both sides. Okay. Then we're going to add a little salt, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and this is marjoram. Okay, now we're going to turn it over and do the same to the other side. Okay, now we're going to take this over and we're going to grill this. I have a cast iron grill. If you don't have a grill, you can easily use a pan, but I just like it because I have the grill marks. We're going to grill this for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side on a low-medium heat. Now, I have 8 cups of boiling water with a tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to put a half pound of my angel pasta. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. We have about maybe 3 more minutes, and then we're going to drain the pasta. Okay, now we're going to drain our noodles. And we're going to continue with our sauce. Right here, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let the butter melt. We're going to slowly pour our cream or milk, whichever one you have. I'm using cream, and then we're going to put in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, or onion powder rather, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And we also are going to add 1 teaspoon of regular flour. And we're going to mix that up so that there's no lumps. We don't want lumps. Okay. And then now I have Parmesan cheese, which is a 1/2 cup. I'm going to mix that together. Cook a little bit for a couple of minutes. over. There's some nice grill marks here. Just long to keep just a little bit longer. Okay, now that the sauce has thickened, now we're going to add our noodles. Make sure you do not rinse your noodles off. And we're going to just kind of toss this in so that all the noodles kind of get covered. Okay, the noodles are now done. And now we're going to check back on our chicken. Okay, that has a good, nice. All right. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cover our chicken now. And we're going to turn the fire down just a little bit and just let it cook for about another 10 minutes. Okay, now that the chicken breast is done, and I also want to show you guys how to find out if your chicken breast is done or not. When your chicken breast is still kind of raw, it's kind of squishy, but when it's done, it's firm. It kind of comes back at you, okay? So that's how you could tell if it's all the way done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slice the chicken breasts up and we're going to put them on top of the noodles. Okay, now we're going to place the chicken breast on top of the noodles. Okay, now we are going to, also I meant to tell you, I had also put some tomatoes. I love grilled tomatoes and I love grilled zucchini. So I put that on the grill with the chicken right before it was finished, right before I took it off. So if you like that, hey, do it. It's really, really good. I also have chopped chives and we're gonna sprinkle that on top. Gives it a nice flavor, like an onion flavor. And there you have it, the grilled lemon chicken with Parmesan noodles. Okay, so now we're going to take a little taste of it. See how it came out. Very good. You taste the Parmesan cheese, the butter. The chives give it a really good flavor. And the chicken is really juicy and tender. So I hope you guys make this. This is a wonderful dish. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell And I will see you next time on Patricia Delights. Bye. Thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights. I hope you enjoyed the show, and I will see you next time. Gotta go. Bye.